guys, it's Rémy from Le Griddle. Today we will cook a very big piece of beef. For a lot of griddle, the major problem is to have enough inertia to cook perfectly and to sear the meat on each side. When you put the meat, you have a big piece of meat like that. You put the meat on the griddle on the first side. It sears perfectly. But after 5 or 10 minutes to cook, when you turn the meat, it didn't sear perfectly. But with system, with a cast iron heater, put together with a stainless steel cooking plate, we have a lot of inertia. All along the cooking, the heat is accumulated in the cast iron heater, and the cast iron heater diffuses on all the surface of the stainless steel plate. So that's why we have the only one griddle in the world who have this big inertia, and we are able to cook a big piece of beef like this one. Like the famous chef Saltby, who is famous for cooking big piece of beef in his restaurant. Today we will cook a big piece of beef too, but this time on our very special griddle. For cooking this piece of beef, I will use only a little bit of oil and salt and pepper, and that's it. Look at the beef. One piece. Very impressive now. This griddle is a 30-inch griddle with 2 gas burners. Each burner is only 9,000 BTUs. And you can hear it sears perfectly on the first side. But the most impressive is when I will return the meat. And you will hear again, it sears perfectly again. Now this is a proof for why it is important to have a griddle, but not only a griddle, a Le Griddle. With a special cast iron heater, we accumulate the heat inside the cast iron plate, and it diffuses all along the cooking series. I will turn the meat on the other side, and you will hear it sears perfectly. Look at this size. The brown color is perfect. This meat will be very good. For cooking meat, it's the perfect equipment in your outdoor kitchen. But not only for meat, you can cook a lot of different things, veggies, even dessert. That's very versatile. But today, for the meat, it's a challenge I call that the salt bean challenge. You see how it's seared?
The second side is searing exactly like the first one.
No other griddle can do that.
It sears perfectly. We have the three color: brown, pink and red.
That's it. It was a demo for perfect searing of a big beef meat. And now, bon appetit.